Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark here with another really useful tool that we think will be of interest to anyone who administers a LearnDash platform. Now, I'm sure you've experienced this in the past. You've gone to a website or a training platform and found that it's offline. And you go to it and you might hit a blank page or an error message or something like that. And there are a number of reasons this could be. It could be planned maintenance, or it could be there's something that's gone wrong, such as a web server's offline, or a plugin is broken, or there's something wrong with the domain, or something like that. So, as a LearnDash platform owner yourself, you would probably want to know before your learners do if your platform is ever offline. And there are a number of ways you can do this, one being something called Uptime Monitoring. And one great free way to do this is to visit a site called uptimerobot.com. And this will check your website intermittently, and if it ever finds that it's offline, it can send you an email and let you know so that you can act on it very quickly. And for free, you can create up to 50 monitors, so you can monitor 50 different sites. And what they will do as part of the free account is check the site every 5 minutes to make sure it's still online. So I'm going to show you how to register for this and set it up with your site. I'm going to head over to register for free here. I'm going to put in some details here. And you can put in how you found out about them. And then you can click register now. Behind the scenes, you'll get an email, which I'm going to click on the link on here. And then once you've clicked on that link, you'll be able to log in. Once you've logged in, you'll come to a page like this. But you'll find that we're using currently 0 of our 50 monitors. So I'm going to use a new one here. I'm going to click on Add New Monitor. What I want to do is choose something called HTTPS here. And what I'm going to do is, under the friendly name, say My Learning Platform. Under the URL or IP, I'm going to put the address of it. So I'm just going to copy that out of here and paste that in. And here's your monitoring interval. So by default, that's set to check the site every 5 minutes. If you wanted to increase that and make it check any less, you can do. If you upgrade to the Pro package, you can also reduce that and make it check your site every minute if you wanted to. But under the free package, the default is 5 minutes, so I'm going to leave it at that. The other options here are options for people who upgrade to the Pro plan. What I'm going to do here is set the alert contacts to notify, and I'm going to make sure it emails me at my email address if this is ever offline. And that's it. I'm just going to click Create Monitor now, and that monitor will now be created, and it's now constantly checking the site, and it will be checking every 5 minutes. And if for any reason my learning platform was offline, I will get an email from Uptime Robot letting me know that it's offline, and then I can just go in and check out whatever's causing that issue and resolve it, and hopefully it's back online before any learners notice. So it's a really useful tool to just check that your site is stable and constantly available to all of your learners.